We at General Filters are pleased to present the new GeneralAire 4400A Fan-Assist Evaporative Humidifier, or what we like to call Humidification Reimagined. Accommodating homes up to 4,400 square feet, the new model features a low-profile design, easy installation in tight spaces, easy maintenance, ultra-quiet operation, and maximized humidity output. The 4400A is not only attractive, but ideal for tight installation spaces. The depth from the plenum has been reduced by approximately 35%, and the unit is 3 to 5 pounds lighter than other fan-powered humidifiers. Removable pins in the hinged door further assist in tight installation conditions by allowing complete removal of the door. The easy lift-off cover and hinged door makes replacing the vapor pad easy and swift. Both the frame and drain tube can be removed for cleaning during maintenance. Integrated in the hinged door is a safety interlock that removes power when the door is opened. At only 48 decibels, the 4400A operates with an ultra-quiet cross-flow fan that allows all family members a peaceful night's sleep. A durable heat and corrosion-resistant stainless steel water distribution tube allows hot water service to increase humidity output by an estimated 10 to 20%, ideal with today's lower plenum temperatures associated with high-efficiency furnaces and heat pump technologies. Included with your GeneralAire 4400A is the GFX4 automatic digital humidistat that eliminates the need for a current sensing device or air proving switch. The GFX4 can also be used in manual mode. As you can see by these installation images, the 4400A fits nicely on the plenum and completes our line of low-profile humidifiers. In summary, the new low-profile design makes installation and maintenance easier in tight spaces. The ultra-quiet operation and maximized humidity output makes the 4400A another innovative design engineered for today's homes in Novi, Michigan. The GeneralAire 4400A is truly humidification reimagined.